Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use AI as a beginner. So, if you don't know anything about the AI, that may be Google Gemini AI or ChatGPT or Perplexity or whichever AI may be, I'll tell you the basics. That may be on the mobile or on the laptop. See here, if it is on the mobile, hey Google. See, when you give like hey Google on the mobile, it will just take whatever you dictate to the AI. See here, it is just now dictating. So I'll be deleting this. Either you can type a prompt here. First of all, what is a prompt? So you're asking a question. Say for example, what is the dollar price today and on which stocks can I invest? See, just for the tutorial purpose, I am asking, or just researching for the research purpose, you can use the AI. Later, I'll continue with the laptop explanation. Okay, the same thing you can do on the laptop and on the mobile. See here, it has given some information. So this is not only for the information, but for various things you can use. There is a plus symbol. See here, right? You can click on this plus symbol and you can upload any file, maybe a picture from your gallery or a document, PDF document from your drive or an Excel sheet, and ask it to analyze. Say for example, I'm just clicking on the files which will open my internal storage. Yeah, this will open the internal storage, right? I can just select any picture by selecting here, so that will be uploaded here. Okay, that will be uploaded here, and I can now ask with this voice search like analyze this picture or recreate this picture with changing the background to the beach or something like that. See here, like this you can just give the prompt and get the result. I'm going back again. And likewise, you can create music, explore cricket, or you can use it for many uses. Now I'll just shifting on to the laptop. The same thing you can do it on your mobile too. So let us go to the laptop and we'll have the clear explanation. Knowing this, okay, now we'll start to get to know about how to use AI as a beginner on the laptop too. See here, the process, as I said, it is very similar from mobile to this laptop. See here also there is a plus symbol, right? For now, what I'll do is I'll just minimize this. I have a file called Excel here. What I'll do is I'll bring it to here and I'll drop it here. Or in the mobile, you can just click on here and upload the files as I have already shown you. So this is a Excel sheet. I am asking the Google Gemini to analyze this Excel sheet and give me the best sales for the year, for the quarter, actually for the quarter Jan to April. So see, something like this, just for an example I'm saying. So assume this is a Excel sheet where it has all the sales information for a particular organization and want to analyze how are the sales. You can give some more requirements for this prompt appropriately. So when I hit this, it will just analyze and give. Okay, I'll be just going back. So as this is a test, see, it will just give you the January to April 2026. During the fourth month, yeah, it is giving some information like that. You can actually make use of this. There are other tools here like deep research, create music. When you click on create music, if you just give something like, you can use the voice search on the laptop too. So if I use this microphone, create a romantic music or melody music where one person is searching for the other person, and give me the song in Hindi language. So yeah, here you, sorry, if I hit like this, it will start creating the music. The same goes for ChatGPT also. Here also you will have this option to upload files, asking the prompts, and giving an image and asking it to recreate the image, yeah, whatnot. Coming back here, so the create music will be better in the mobile. Just try the same thing on the mobile, you'll get it. So say for example, if you have an example PDF from any website, or you got some PDF example download, just for this tutorial I'm using one down, I'll just download one sample one, and I'll give it to this AI, and I'll ask it to summarize that and brief me about the highlight points of this. Say for example, I'm just downloading this. So when the PDF got downloaded, so what I'll do is I'll download this, I'll be placing it on my desktop, test PDF, save. So this got saved, right? I'll be opening the Google Gemini. Where is this? Here. And I'll be just dragging this and dropping it over here. So I'll be closing this. Just summarize this PDF, and this PDF is in another language, so let me know what is the exact content. Summarize. So in this way you can use the AI to just ask it something like, analyze this email or summarize this email, what would be the best reply for this email, what are this content, total contents of this PDF, tell me in 5 words, something like that. See here, the provided document is a placeholder, okay, as is a just a sample PDF, it is just summarized me, okay. Likewise, you can use it for your business or your personal work or research, for education purpose. You can just take a bit of help from the AI, but always remember AI also can make mistakes. That is one thing you need to remember in mind. You need to double check that. You can use that for to create images, to create the images, to create music. You can ask like create a birthday song. You can just ask like create a birthday song. So maybe I can show you this on the mobile. It would be fun and interesting, with the name called Rahul. See here, right on the laptop also it's just creating. So the same thing goes for the mobile too. Anyway, you can give the same prompt in the mobile too, it will just generate the music. So maybe there would be something like happy birthday Rahul, a song, something like that. Let us check the output. See, just check it here. I just gave a simple prompt with very less instructions. Still, even though It created a beautiful song wishing Rahul birthday. So in many more ways you can use AI. For just for a beginner, you can start it from here. If you do have any other question, just ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.